goodbye to the fallen belly with this homemade trick in a few days. If you want to eliminate the fallen belly in a natural and economic way, do not stop reading this information. This fat-burning method will increase your energy levels, improve the quality of your skin, and help eliminate that tummy in as little as 10 days. Most experts agree that, no matter what their weight, a waist circumference of more than 37 inches for a woman and more than 42 for a man could increase the risk of having high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, dementia and cancers of the breast, colon and endometrium. So being fat is not just a problem of aesthetics, far from it. It's more than that. Being fat means being more likely to have serious health problems. You have to start looking after yourself. Do more exercise, such as walking, and quit eating fats and sugars. So not only to see us better, but for our own health, we must pay attention and eliminate the fat accumulated in the abdomen. Ingredients: 1. 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. 2. 2 tablespoons of ginger powder. 3. Half a spoonful of cayenne pepper. 4. 6 spoonfuls of lemon juice. Elaboration: 1. Bring the water to a boil. Stop the heat and let cool for 5 minutes. 2. Meanwhile, put all the ingredients in a jar. Pour the water over them and mix well. 3. Drink this during the day. You will see the first results in 10 days. 4. There is no time limit with this method, so use it as long as you find it necessary. Consult with your doctor before starting any of these natural and home treatments. Not all organisms react in the same way.